Laying of asphalt has been completed on the 1 kilometers Ugwu-Nwasike Ogidi by Enugu-Onitsha Express Road. The contract awarded by Governor commenced at the end of last year and was completed on schedule. When ABS arrived at the site yesterday, the last lap of the asphalt was ongoing as men of New Idea construction firm and indigenous construction company were seen working to ensure that they complete the job. Works correspondent Ngozi completes the report.
It was also observed that there was drainage on some parts of the road while some parts have curbs. At the Ugwu-Nwasike axis, there is a culvert with stone pitch to discharge water into the big drainage to contain the high volume of water on that axis. Speaking to the ABS, the Commissioner for Works, Engineer Ifeanyi Okoma, who was at the site to conduct the final test on the job, expressed satisfaction with the pace and quality of work on the road. Engineer Okoma, who said that he is proud of the contractor for proving his mettle by carrying out quality job and according to schedule, warned that government would not tolerate the reckless dumping of refuse on the road by people of the area, adding that it is not acceptable that government will spend billions of naira to construct roads only for those who are supposed to own and take care of the road to abuse it.
No, the quality looks very good. The quality from our tests, we do what we call compassion and institute test, and we do what is called coring. Of course, for now, he's meeting all the standards. What we are asking our people is the ability to maintain the roads, not just doing this road. We're investing billions of naira on this road, and we're intentional about that. We are building a livable, prosperous homeland. But for us to continue and maintain it, we need our people to key in.
The Transition Committee Chairman for Idemili North Local Government Area, Chief Chooks Brown Iwanwa, was full of appreciation to Governor Soludo for recognizing the importance of the road and awarding it, saying that Ndi Idemili North will remain grateful for the massive success he's giving them just to make life easy for them. On the issue of dumping refuse inside the drainages, Chief Iwanwa said the council area is presently desilting existing drainages in the area in preparation for the rainy season, and said that he will not take it lightly with anyone foiling his attempt to make things right, as well as apprehend anyone caught violating the law and charge the person to court.
We are very grateful to His Excellency. This road is very important to us because of the nature of this market, because we do have heavy flow of traffic around here. So we are very grateful to His Excellency. Waste. This is the bone of contention in whatever we are doing. We've started sensitizations, so we won't allow anybody to mess up with what we put in place.
The Chairman and Chief Executive Officer, New Idea Construction Company Limited, Igwe Ben Emeka, said that though asphalting has been completed on the road, they will use the next 2 weeks to complete both shoulder dressing of the road and finish up casting of curbs and few things remaining. Igwe Emeka, who is the traditional ruler of Umueri in Anambra East Council area, appreciated the governor for the confidence reposed in him, saying that his experience working for the government is memorable, thanking the community and traders at Ogidi for their cooperation, even as he frowned at those who display goods on top of the drainages.
The company is a New Idea Construction Company Limited, 100% indigenous company, which has been working in Anambra State. We worked in a cordial relationship with the people of this market. Initially it was 7.3, but now it's 10.3. Government made it to be 10.3, and you can see how wide it is. The government recognized that it is a market and people are also using it. So making it very wide is good for the people so that there will be minimal accidents on this road.
From Ugwu-Nwasike, Enugu-Onitsha Express Road, I am Ngozi for ABS News.